the Milwaukee Fuel Gen 4 against the DeWalt 840. This has been one of the newest of DeWalt's impact drivers. It's really powerful. In some instances, it actually beats the 887, which is top of the line DeWalt. On the yellow, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make retro review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Same thing with the batteries on each. I've done videos on the versus videos on multiple Milwaukee batteries and multiple DeWalt batteries. These batteries do come kind of up there on top. These are both 2700 cells. Both of these batteries, these are both 6 amp hour batteries. Milwaukee Fuel brushless. We got brushless motor, 3-speed selector, and plus a screwing mode. Quick insert collet with the tri-LED. Same thing with this. This one does not have a speed selector. This one, when it came out as like the lower tier, and I don't know why it's so powerful. The beginner kit with the smaller battery. We have a metal casing on this part, same thing as this one. Everything's rubber. All the black part is rubber. We got yellow is plastic. Nice rubber stops. Lots of air movement on this one. Lots more on that. It is really thin. We got a nice trigger. Nice DeWalt rubber overmold, brushless. Quick insert collet on both tools are a quick insert collet. DCF 840. This is the famous 840, guys. The one that actually beat a lot of tools with this. I beat a lot of tools with this one. 0 to 3200 RPM. You got 0 to 4200 IPM. So this one, you got 0 to 4400 IPM, and then you got 0 to 3900 RPM. 2.34 840 at its thickest points. You got 2.1, so it's actually really thin. Around the head, we got 4.4. Body, we got 3.8, 5.15. We got body only, 4.5. It's 1.82. At the bottom, we got 1.62. At the top, we got 1.7, 1.5. We got 1.2, 1.3. So yeah, this one seems to be a little different. We got tool only, 1 pound, 15.5 ounces. So battery is 2 pounds, 1.4 ounces. You got tool by itself, you got 2 pounds, 3.9 ounces. Battery by itself, you got 2 pounds, 6.3 ounces. Alright, 6 amp hour, full battery. Milwaukee, full battery. We're going to be running several different tests, starting with the smaller stuff, and then we're going to be moving on to the harder stuff. 3.5 deck screw. Run this in. Same thing. Same screw actually. 1, 2, 3, go. In. 1, 2, 3, out. Go. This is a 3/8 drill bit. Hole right here, just beside it. Hole right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. All right, next test. We have a 7/8 spade bit. Hole right here. 1, 2, 3. Go. Yeah, this tool has this problem, so I don't know. With some bits, not all of them. Yeah, they actually fixed this one. We do have a 4.5 inch by 1/2 inch lag, 3/4 inch impact socket with an adapter. Do not try this at home. You might break your tool. Alright, we got the same thing with the 4.5 inch lag. 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. Alright guys, let us know what you guys think about this test. This thing is really hot. 112, 114, 123. Yeah, this thing's really hot. The whole tool is really hot. There's a few minutes already after the test. This one is 101, 102, 103. Alright guys, let us know what you guys think on the comment section down below. Would you want to see any of these two tools with other manufacturers, with other tool brands? Let us know down in the comment section. Also, do you own any of these? Do you own a DeWalt? Do you like it? Do you don't like it? Let me know. Alright, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.